Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video we are going to take a look at what people are saying about Commission Hero. All right, now this is a money-making course that's being advertised all over the place. I see it like 10 YouTube ads a day about this course, so I decided to take a look and see like what people saying about this course, and is it worth the time. So I'm gonna give my opinion after what I heard about this course, what I seen about this course, and I'm gonna give my take to let you know if I think it will be worth investing in from what I seen. All right. So first of all, like I just said, Commission Hero, very popular program, money making program that's being advertised all over YouTube. So of course, I'm like, well, what's this about? Let me look into it, right? So after doing my little research and digging around, basically, this is a course. Let me back up real quick. When you look at the sales ad, when you look at the sales page, when you look at the YouTube ads, it's promoted in a way to basically say, hey, look, hey, if you want to know how you can make $1,000 a day, oh my God, would that not be incredible? But anyway, it's like, if you want to learn to make $1,000 a day, right, you need to sign up for our free webinar where I show you how you can make $1,000 a day, right? Simply by just turning on your computer and looking at it, right? I mean, I didn't say it like that, but basically, right? Making it super easy, sounds super easy to get involved with, and it's a free webinar. Now, guys, if you're watching this video, and I ain't hating because I'm in the game myself. I do internet marketing. I do affiliate marketing, so I get it. But anytime, like now I'm to the point that every time I hear free webinar, first thing I'll start wondering is like, I wonder how much the product gonna be. I wonder how much the course gonna be, right? Because free webinar equals it's gonna be a nice high-end sales pitch at the end of this free webinar. And I ain't mad. It's part of the game. I get it. You know what I mean? I get it. But let's jump back into it. So, you see this ad, and I'm sure a lot of people, they jump in on it like, yes, free webinar, $1,000 a day, count me in. It's easy. I don't gotta do nothing. He says it's from, the guy says his name is Robbie, I think Robbie Blanchard. In the videos, he's like, yo, you don't need no experience. Anybody can do it, right? So it's like, anybody, that's me, right? So here's the thing. Few reviews I watched from people who actually bought this program, the first thing they say is, and it's like been consistent, is like, bro, it's first of all, it's not that easy, right? It's not that easy. And the course is based around basically finding products to promote on ClickBank, right? And then promoting them on Facebook by running Facebook ads. So one thing that I did not like hearing about is the fact that anytime you're dealing with Facebook ads, everybody know who in the game. Facebook ads can be a monster. They can be like, they can break the bank, right? It can be super complicated. So hearing that was just like, dang, like that ain't, I don't know already, because I know a lot of people blow a lot of money on Facebook ads. And keep in mind, a lot of new people are getting sucked into this whole Commission Hero. So just as somebody who would look at it, because I'm trying to look at it through like a new person to the game. If I was completely new to the game and I bought this course that was advertised to be super easy and that could make me $1,000 a day, and the first thing I see is I got to start putting out a whole bunch of ad spend money, I'm automatically like, what the hell is this? What? I gotta come out $500 on ads, hopefully to make $700. I gotta spend $500. Man, that's going. I'm telling you. I'm just telling you what I heard. I'm just telling you what people are saying about the course, right? And then another thing that has been consistent with what people were saying was with the way they advertise on, the way it's taught to advertise on Facebook is you're gonna get your Facebook account suspended, but they show you how to get another one. Apparently, they show you how to keep going through them. But like, who wants to start a money making venture and then wake up one day and get that email saying your account is suspended? You know what I'm saying? Like that. What? Like that's not a good feeling. Like, for real. Like, that's not a good feeling at all. So those things right there make me kind of look sideways at Commission Hero, just because, like, the sales letter, which, great job, the sales ads on YouTube is like super, like, oh my god, anybody can do it. And just from my experience, it's like, man, this course sound like, I don't know. You know what I mean? And then the price tag, I guess this course is around $1,000. And from what I seen, one buyer said, definitely wasn't worth it. He thought maybe up to $200 was worth maybe spending like $200 on this course, right? So from somebody who's been in the game, I definitely probably would just hate this course, and mainly because I'm not big on Facebook ads. So if I would have got to the point where I bought this course, actually, if I would have saw the free webinar as soon as he started talking about Facebook ads, I probably would have been like, I'm good, right? So yeah, to me, it's not my thing, especially when I'm hearing like you got to spend a lot of money to make money back. And to me, that's not really newbie friendly. You know what I'm saying? Especially when you talk about getting ads suspended. You know what I mean? You got to go through different Facebook accounts. Man, that's going to suck. So if you're new to the game, you got to go through that. That might ruin your whole online money making idea. You know what I'm saying? If you got to go through that. So that's what, like I said, that's what's been the consistent theme about Commission Hero. Now, a lot of times, if you're seeing some positive reviews, a lot of times people are promoting the program, right? Which is nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. So there are some, I'm sure, some positive, comments out there. And to be fair, if it's teaching you how to, set up Facebook ads, like if it's giving you, which I did hear that he gives you a ton of different Facebook ads, a ton of different ads. He actually gives you products to promote. That's cool. That's dope, because he's giving you products that I guess are high converting products that you can promote. So if you're getting that and you're getting like actually legit really good ads, that maybe you can use these ads in other places, right? Maybe you can use these ads on YouTube or Instagram or something like that, and maybe not Facebook. Maybe use them in places where you won't get suspended. Maybe use them on Pinterest, right? But even with that being said, is that worth $1,000? Probably not, right? Probably not. So wrapping up my take, my opinion on Commission Hero from what people are saying and from what I've seen like on the sales letter, you can get it if you want. I personally wouldn't, rock Commission Hero, just because, like I said, kind of misleading with the whole $1,000 a day. That'd be, you probably got to put in like 800 a day to make 1,000 a day. I don't know, but that's my take on it. Comment below, let me know if you got Commission Hero. Let me know if I'm wrong. You know what I'm saying? Comment, let me know, man. You don't know what you're talking about, right? Comment, let me know what you think. So give this video a thumbs up. I got a lot more videos coming just like this, so hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure to comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.